Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll be discussing about place value and face value. I have seen many students get confused among these three names. So let's discuss the difference between these three and what actually is place of a number of a digit, place value of a digit and face value of a digit in a number. This is what we'll be discussing in today's video. So first thing, each digit has a fixed position. That fixed position is called its place. Let's take an example. 7432. If we are talking about a number 4, we all know ones, tens, 100, 1000, right? So 4 is on the 100 place. So that is its fixed position, means it is kept, the number 4 is kept on the 100 place, which will be called its place. Similarly, 3 is kept on place tens, 2 is kept on place ones and 7 is kept on place 1000. We cannot shift their places, because if we shift their places, the number will change, it will not remain same. So for this particular number, the digits which are kept on these places are fixed, and these will be called as places, which will be ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Clear? Next thing, each digit has a value depending upon its place. It's very important. The value of the digit, which depends on where it is kept in the number, it will give you the value of the digit, and that will be called as the place value. I am taking the same example, 7432. For example, I want to know the place value of number 4 in this number, right? We have discussed the place of 4 was 100, and what we have read here in the definition of place value is that value of the digit depending upon its place. So 4 is kept on 100 place, hence the place value will be 400. You can write like this, you can write like this also. These two are same. The last thing now, face value. Face value, as the name says, face means we can't change our face, right? So whenever we are talking about any digit, it's irrespective of its place. So here the face value of 4 will be 4, its face only. We can't change its face. Similarly, face value of 3 will be 3. Face value of 7 will be 7. I hope that's clear. I am taking an example now. 174352. It is 1,74,352, right? Let me write the places above. It's ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh as per Indian system, right? If we want to talk about the face value of 4, remember, face value means its face only, which will not change. So face value of 4 is 4. Face value of 7 is 7. Face value of 2 is 2. But if we want to know what is the place of this 4, you can see place of this 4 is 1000. Place of 7 is 10,000. Place of 2 is ones. Is that clear? The last thing now, the place of 4 is 1000, and similarly for others which we discussed. Now coming to place value. Place value of 4. We know one thing, the place value is place of the digit into its face value. Remember this thing. Okay, so place value of 4 above will be 4000. How it comes? The face value of 4 is 4 and the place was 1000, hence 4000 is the place value of 4. Similarly, the place of 2 is ones in the above example and the face value of 2 is 2. So the place value will be 2 into 1, 2. 7 will be 7 into 10,000, which is 70,000. I hope that's clear. You can refer to this example. These are the face values and these are the place values. This is what is the difference between two. I hope the difference between place value and face value is clear to all. Thank you.